96 Coachmen RV. Low miles, exhaust manifold leak. Cosmetically looking pretty good. Nice festive stripes, but nice and intact. No obvious leaks. Front climate control does not work, but the rooftop AC does. Books and manuals. Looks like it comes with a massage table. TV. Plenty of storage. You have the shower, you have the other one, and there you have it. Good afternoon. So we're driving this low mileage 1996 Coachmen RV, powered by a Ford 460. As you might be able to detect, it's got a bit of an exhaust manifold leak. If it were mine, I would certainly be fixing that before taking it any distance, but maybe it doesn't bother you. Almost everything works. The front AC is inoperable, but the rear is fine. And otherwise, everything works. So you fix that exhaust leak, and if you feel like it, that front AC. Kind of sounds like a World War I biplane, but transmission shifts correctly. I don't know if you can really tell that from the video, but I think you get that exhaust straightened out and have a nice traveling rig for not a whole lot of money. Thank you for looking, and if you'd like to see all kinds of stuff, subscribe. Thank you.